What in the world are y'all doing?
Huh?
You just show up at my house and start using all my stuff. Okay. Oh, this thing's fogging up. Oops. Man, you watching CJ Pony Parts?
Special edition Roush Mustangs. The rocker splitter is going to mount to your
What are you doing?
Uses extensions and Roush push pins.
Oh my god.
5 additional holes we'll have to drill and tape to make sure.
What are we putting on?
The Roush side skirts or side splitters. They're going to here.
This thing's still fogging up.
To match these.
To match the back. Oh, okay. Okay.
It's a Shouse. The Shelby Roush.
It's a Shouse.
A Shouse.
Nice. Nice.
One. I'm pro now.
Is that right? Is that
Yeah.
how it works?
That's exactly how it works.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure.
You just gotta do a bunch of panning.
Yeah. Exactly. Can't even see nothing.
Go follow your boy.
Yeah, Logan.
At Yeezus SVT. Well, Yeezus _ SVT on IG.
Is he giving himself a shout out right now?
No?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It kind of sounded like that's what you were doing.
Nah. I was just reading the plate.
Oh. Okay.
I didn't know what it said.
Oh, yeah. Because you don't know your own car's custom plate.
I never look at it.
Oh, okay. Well, I think I pulled out more than 5 now. Oh yeah, there ain't no more. Oh, there's one more back here. 1, 2, 3.
I think you gotta leave that one on though.
Alright.
So it stays up there. You're...
hey man, I heard you. I pulled out 6.
Yeah,
6?
But they're spaced.
Fucking guy from CJ Pointy Parts lied.
They're spaced like a
Asshole.
Liar.
Making a complaint.
Is that the right one or the left one?
Driver's side or passenger side?
Why don't you look and see what it says on it? You know, just to be sure.
Just a splitter rocket panel, right hand.
Just the right hand?
Yeah, right hand. RH. I would.
So that's...
So that would
this
be
would be the left.
No, that would be the right.
Well, that would be... Yeah, well, you know what I mean.
If this is the right hand,
Hey, what?
which side of the car do you think that is, Logan?
Do the 2 L's, bro.
Look, there we go.
Do...
You're so smart, bud.
Hell yeah, dude.
So glad you're here.
Is that 3M tape already on there?
Oh, no. You gotta put that on.
Oh, shite.
Where are you supposed to even put it on at?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good.
There we are. Bingo. Nah, those are...
Yeah, we don't read those, right?
Nah.
Yeah, we don't need to read
Why would
nothing.
we
We just need the 3M tape. That's all we need.
We have YouTube for that.
Yeah.
These you do not need.
For?
You don't need these. These don't tell you nothing.
Hey, we got new push pins though.
These tell you at the Roush.
While y'all figure it out, you know, I'm just looking. You put it on the inside right here.
So what's 8 divided by 2, Logan?
7.
Yes.
Oh. Man, we're teaching quick math today. We're supposed to be at Bombshells like an hour ago.
For real.
Well, I was at work an hour ago.
I don't care what you were working at. It's supposed to be here. Turn Todd off over here. I'm tired of listening to Todd drill. Thank you. Come on.
We're also a performance exhaust shop. If you want this shit, whatever that is.
You want the bald radial?
You're
Get her.
only one though.
Yeah, just one.
You only get that one. And a seat.
I'm just gonna put it on up there. Real quick. Oh, hit the car.
It's totaled.
$100,000.
So,
What's that packet right there?
I don't know. Oh, that's like the adhesive for motor.
Oh,
cocaine.
We don't need that.
Yeah, we don't need that. We'll be fine.
Green doesn't know what they're talking about.
No, never. Let me get one up in here.
Yeah.
And then we'll go on this. Alright, I'm good. Logan, did you fart?
Yeah, dude, totally.
it smells like,
did you seriously fart?
Oh my god.
it smells like Badussy.
that energy, dude. You just.
Not good, man.
I don't know. You're not good at putting things in holes.
Torn and ripped.
What the?
The plastic itself, it's all, it looks like somebody put the car on concrete all right here. And so,
What the f?
this plastic's like fuck.
Oh, like the car got scraped?
Yeah. And so it's not able to go up into it right now.
It's always something, man.
Oh man.
You can drive with one.
Oh.
Does anybody have a knife on them?
Yeah.
A really sharp knife?
No. I have 8.
You got like, I mean, would you need like a file?
I need that one to come out without getting all this other stuff on it. Yep, it's coming out. You have a knife?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Best you can get. What do you have to cut the wrap?
What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Are you getting naked?
No, I'm taking my shirt off.
Oh my god. What is he doing? Dang, is this a Mach 1?
Oh my god.
Is this a Mach 1?
No, it's fake, dude. It's a 2-valve, bro.
Is this a Mach 1?
It's a 2-valve, dude.
It's a 2-valve.
Yeah.
Why does it say 04 slow Mach?
I don't know, dude.
It even has the Mach spoiler
Oh,
in the matte gray or matte black. It don't say Mach 1 on the back, it just says Mustang.
I know, it's all confused. It's got a Cobra bumper, too.
Cobra bumper. But he's got that Mach hood scoop. The actual functional hood scoop on one of the Mustangs. Unlike most of them. Yeah, son. GT500. What's up, gangster?
What's going on, man?
What are we getting ourselves into tonight?
Gonna hit the bombshells, man. It's the one off 45, right?
Yeah, right over in Spring.
Yeah. So yeah, hitting up the bombshells. They have a little deal there, a little car meet.
All right,
Well,
sweet.
not like a car show.
Yeah,
Gee, I don't even remember the last time I've been to one.
it's been a minute.
You know, busy with the whole army deal and
Yeah.
always being gone during the week.
There he goes. Dang, this was good in here. What you got up in here, boy?
Cologne.
Cologne. I thought it was that 1320 Snapchat thing.
How about that fucking Cletus and cars?
Oh, really?
For I think last year.
Oh, yeah, definitely not that.
Yeah, it's just the ornament now.
Yeah. Oh, she sounds pretty. How loud's the blower whine in this?
It whines pretty loud, dude.
Yeah.
Especially because, I mean, it's the most aggressive pulley setup you can run on it. Well, minus I mean, I could go bigger on the lower pulley,
Right.
but because I'm on a 10%, I can go to a 15.
Right.
But as far as the blower, it's a 2.4.
Okay. What kind of power do you think you're making?
What I'm making or what I should be making?
What should you be making? Let's start with that first.
Yeah, what I should be making is just under 8.
Okay.
Yeah, and
That's what's up.
that's with if I wanted to stay on 93.
Yeah.
Say I'd be well over 8 if I put it on the 85.
Right.
That's the move.
That's what you're doing next?
Yeah, that's the move, man. The 85, doing the return style fuel system and the clutch.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully this thing will wake up.
You still on stock clutch on this?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I think that's been a cause of some of these losses, man.
Really?
Yeah. The slip.
Oh, really?
Kind of
It starts slipping?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll get like, you know, I'm pegging out the boost gauge, and yeah, and you can just
like belt slip or anything? It's for sure the clutch?
Yeah, I think it's for sure the clutch.
Yeah.
Because I was to do with my 2008 GT500.
Oh, you had a 08 GT500 behind?
Yeah,
Okay.
I had an 08, the factory blower, 2.5 pulley, 10% lower.
Okay.
Still on 93.
What's with you in 93, man? You gotta get an E85, bro.
I know.
You gotta get with the program.
And believe it or not, this is the factory mufflers.
Really?
Yeah.
Sounds good, dude.
Factory headers as well.
What do you have, like a resin area delete?
Yeah, it's just the Offered X pipe from Lethal Performance.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely purrs.
Yeah, it's not too loud.
No.
Sounds pretty clean.
Yeah, it's enjoyable. It's not like his Mustang up there.
I was like, something like that.
Fucking crackling, poppling. Jeez. Hey, look, he figured out we needed gas. I only had to text him 5 times.
And the ST followed us too.
Oh, did he? Yeah. He sure did.
Ah, pumps. Maybe Logan can get a race with that ST.
That'd probably be a decent race. It's messed up, man. Why you gotta say that to him?
I didn't say that shit.
He's gonna see this video later and getting all pissed off because we thought that he wasn't gonna beat a Mazda Speed 3.
Hey, what do you think that guy has under the hood?
That guy?
He just closed his hood because we came
really?
around.
Oh, dude. I don't know, but I bet you that thing moves. Dude, that RAV4, what is that? SR5? Oh, he's got the all white on tonight too. Where's this ST want? Where'd he go?
That way.
What is he doing?
Maybe he wants to run.
He's trying to catch a run, dude.
Maybe he wants to hit my jewel, bro.
He wants to hit the jewel.
Jewel, bro.
No jewels.
No jewels.
Oh, look at him. Bro, your side splitter already fell off. It's not even over here anymore.
She looking cute.
Oh, what's up?
Yeah. Knew that was you. That's the only one.
On the gas. Hey man, what's your number? Let me see that. No! Oh, sorry. No. Sorry. Sorry. Man, all you fast guys out here.
Shit the
My car's down right now. Y'all are fast guys now.
Because your car don't run.
I mean, it runs, but there's just no brakes on the front of it. And the turbos are out in California. Or wherever comp's at. I think it's California. I don't know, dude. What are you doing? Oh, okay. Is it gonna be loud under here? Ooh. Surprised Logan wasn't.
Yeah, I know.
So loud. Sounds retarded.
It's ridiculous.
Come on, Logan, what are you doing? What are you doing now? I don't know why you got over. We need to go left. Hey, look, there you go. Blow that thing up. It's not you?
Nah, it ain't me.
Shit, I hope it ain't you.
Can I turn his lights on?
This fool really just asked, was he coming for me? Him up there. Whenever we passed him, you should have seen his face. He at least had What do you say, about 200 emojis?
At least 200, yeah.
Alright.
At least.
One thing about him is that he loves to send emojis with every text, at least 30 of them with each text.
But it's not like the regular ones that are appropriate for the message.
Yeah, yeah.
It'll be like, hey bro, I'm just going through this kissy face emoji. What? And it's like 9 of them. What are you doing?
That's Logan for you. All the emojis. All the gay emojis. No offense or anything, but all the gay emojis. Bro, he was definitely
You gotta send the emojis.
coming for you. Alright, let's go get all the emojis. Lots of hearts, lots of kissing faces, heart eyes, all of them.
Squinty face.
Oh man, I forgot that one. Where's that one at? Oh, the one with the, yes, there we go. It's like that. Yeah, he was definitely coming for you, Logan. Yep, there it is. I knew he was gonna do that. Let's see if there's people still here. Showing, oh yeah, there's still people. What? Yeah. Looks like everybody already dipped out. What the hell? We go to the wrong bombshells? There's a truck. We got a cool truck. What?
I mean, isn't that a different bombshells? Or is it on Wednesdays?
No, it is on Tuesdays.
Bro, I could have swore that shit was on Wednesday.
It's on Tuesdays. What the heck kind of whack? And we're on our way home, and something's wrong with Logan's steering.
Mustangs.
Yeah, always Mustangs. I mean, it looked like you turned pretty well right there, if you ask me. Yeah, but
Yeah, damn.
what was wrong with her eyes?
Yeah, you seen that shit?
It looked like she got punched in both faces.
She was dead.
Yeah,
She was. Yeah, that's a ghost.
I don't know what was going on.
The back of the car. When I was going around that corner, all I heard was clack, clack, clack on this front ship.
Yeah, something's wrong with the suspension. Cuts left and a whole lot of metal clanking, but it still drives. I got to drive a Mach 1 again, and shit, something like 4 years ago, 5 years ago.
Something like that. Yeah.
Oh. Back whenever you had your, what was it, 95 Cobra?
Yeah, 95 Cobra.
Yo. Oh, good times. Good times.